You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French politician. Left-wing politician. If you want to learn more names from French, make sure to stay tuned. More coming up. Pronunciations for you. French pronunciation: Jean-Luc Mélenchon. Jean-Luc Mélenchon, that's how we would say it in France. In English, you can say it as Jean-Luc Mélenchon. Jean-Luc Mélenchon. From French, Jean-Luc Mélenchon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.